Karon says sugdi na imong biztalk uban kang kapuso actress China Hortaleza.
Si kapuso actress China Hortaleza nga usa ka misis ug usa ka mami atong mahinabi this morning, mga kapuso. Maayong buntag, China, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello, maayong buntag sa inyo, sa mga, of course, everybody in the Visayas. Hello, my love to everybody. Nako, it's so nice to be able to talk to you guys. Kahit ganito lang.
Oo nga, kahit naka-Zoom interview tayo, okay
Yes.
lang yon. Basta makamusta ka namin. So, kumusta ka na, China, and the whole family?
Everybody is doing well. We're really super thankful that everybody in the family is healthy and safe and happy. So, yun, maganda naman ang process namin so far.
Kumusta na yung mga kids mo? Kasi lagi kayong magkasama ngayon, 24/7. How are you managing the whole household? Nakasama mo yung dalawa?
Honestly, riot. Riot dito. Riot dito sa bahay namin kasi kumbaga we're doing everything at home. It's a challenge, definitely.
Mm-mm.
Kasi dati, there was always a designated place for work. 'Di ba? Andyan ang studio or pumupunta kami sa office namin for that particular thing. But now we also have to do it at home. So natuto talaga kami mag-balance and mag-juggle properly ni Kian.
Talking about balancing your roles, kasi you're not only a mom, but you're also a wife to Kian. So far, what has this experience made you realize about marriage and of course yung partnership yung dalawa as you navigate through the new normal?
We have made it parang our couple time na magsalita at mag-communicate openly to each other. Kahit naman before, but now, dahil nga lagi kaming magkasama, mas nagiging sensitive. I mean, kahit body language pa lang nababasa mo na blessing talaga siya, especially with small children. Kasi nakikita namin ni Kian yung milestones ng mga bata day in and day out. Wala akong fear ngayon na parang I'm gonna miss yung time na maglalakad si Salem or mamimiss ko yung first word niya or kasi dati dahil busy kami sa kanya-kanya naming karera. Lagi naman ganun yung pakiramdam ko.
Talking about your different roles, China, no? Kasi multitasking ka talaga. You're also the host of Idol sa Kusina. How has this show helped you or prepared you for the home quarantine cook fest? May mga special requests ba? Sila Kian and the
Cute,
kids na
grabe.
hinahanda
Oh
mo?
my God, I am so thankful na nabigay sa akin yung opportunity na maging sous chef ni Chef Boy. The program is already 9 years old, imagine. Tapos ako, host ako ng show for 2 years mahigit. So, sabi ko nga kay Kian, if it were not my involvement sa Idol sa Kusina at kung hindi ako natuto at pinagtiyagaan ni Chef Boy na turuan ng tips and tricks niya, baka hindi ko alam kung anong iluluto ko sa first few days ng quarantine. Baka itlog lang at saka hotdog yung maibigay ko sa kanila, 'di ba? We've cooked up a lot of like healthy meals. Maraming gulay kami na natutong gawin. May good news nga ako sa lahat ng mga kapuso because Idol sa Kusina will be airing on GMA 7.
Yeah.
So there are kumbaga 4 episodes na bago. Basta abangan nila yung episodes because baka magamit din kasi nila 'di ba sa mga nangyayari ngayon. Parang it's always nice to be able to cook something new in the kitchen.
Pag-usapan naman natin yung bagong online show mo, itong How Do You Feel, usapang artista. Please share with us, ano yung mga content that you're preparing for all the netizens?
Yung episodes namin is really meant to show people kung ano ba yung beauty ng craft ng pagiging aktor. And apart from that, gusto rin naming ma-humanize yung actors. Gusto din naming pakita sa kanila na we are not different from each other. Mga pinagdadaanan nyo ay pinagdadaanan rin namin and very interested kami sa human condition.
And with this, you also did a monologue video, di ba? Through GMA News YouTube channel. Nakita ko yun eh. At tumatak talaga sa akin yung linya mo. You have to talk kindly to yourself always. What message do you wish to give to other women who right now needs to hear these words from a fellow woman like you?
i-validate mo lagi sa sarili mo at kailangan mong kilalanin yung sarili mo day in and day out para lang you'll be able to empower instead of spreading parang negativity. I'd like to thank everybody na nag-comment. I mean, even you, Cecil, thank you for saying at napansin nyo yung ginawa ko na yun. Kasi it means a lot to me na the message is, kumbaga, being brought to more people, not just women, but people in general.
And finally,
Thank
Sheena,
you.
ano yung mensahe mo sa mga viewers natin? And of course, please invite everyone sa mga programa mo sa TV and of course online and your social media account.
Oh my God. Thinking of after this is past, we're gonna be going back to this time and ang dami nating magagandang realizations and memories na nabubuo. So take that time to do that for yourself. Take this time to heal. Take this time to reach out to people and connect kasi kailangan natin ng isa't isa.
Daghang salamat for joining us this morning.
Thank you!
And that was Sheena Ortaleza, mga kapuso, nga mi paambit sa iyahang kasinatian o kung giunsa niya pagbalanse ang iyahang mga roles isip usa ka misis, usa ka mama ug usa ka GMA artist. Ug mobalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.